Your car struggles to start in the morning, or you're experiencing hard starts, especially in the morning. This particular video is for you. Watch this video from beginning to end, and please kindly share. When you're experiencing hard start in the morning, there are many factors that might be causing that particular issue. A whole lot of factors. Factors like the electrical system, ignition system, air system, fuel system, sensor system, and equally from the engine. So all these particular factors, one or two or three of them can contribute to that particular effect. So all you have to do is visit your mechanic, use a scanner, know the particular issue that is contributing to that effect. Now, let me break it down. When you are talking about the electrical system, when your battery is weak or the terminal is not contacting well enough, it can cause hard start in your car. Also, the starter. When the starter is weak, the brush inside the starter is not functioning well. This also can contribute towards hard start. When you talk about the air system, there is something we call the MAF, the mass airflow sensor. When it's faulty in your car will experience hard start. When you talk about the fuel system, when your fuel pump is bad, is weak, it struggles to pump fuel from your tank to your engine. Also, when the nozzle is blocked or there is leakage, it can also contribute towards hard start. When you talk about the sensor, there is something we call the temperature sensor or the cold switch sensor. When any of these is malfunctioning and is unable to detect or relay information from the engine to the brain bus, telling the brain bus when the engine is cold or hot, it can also contribute. In fact, this is one of the major cause of hard starts. When you talk about the ignition system comprises of the coil, the plugs. When any of these are worn out or ready to be changed, and you did not do that, your car might be experiencing hard start in the morning. Then when you talk about the engine, or when you introduce a fake oil or unrecommended oil in your car, whether too thick or too light, your car engine will experience hard starts. Or low oil pump pressure in your engine is becoming weak, your car will be experiencing hard start in the morning. So all you have to do is get a good mechanic that has a scanner. Let the person scan the car and detect the exact cause of that particular issue and get it tackled instead of doing trial and error. Because most mechanics now, tumbon they do. Thank you so much as you share this video, and God bless you.